It's me,
Ella and Mika.
and we're my sisters. Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video guys, ay gagawa tayo ng challenge. At anong challenge?
Tell your friend.
Ang challenge natin ay Paramihan Kumain Challenge. And nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating kakainan. At sige, comment nyo muna kung anong kakainin natin ngayon. Korean food, German food, o whatever.
Or
1, 2, 3. Okay, tapos na kayo. Dapat mahulaan nyo. May premyo kayo sa akin. Comment down below. Ito, i-reveal ko na. In 3, 2, 1. Sa Korean food. Magsasanggipsel tayo. Okay, baba na tayo guys. Nandito nga pala tayo sa Mitsumo. Okay, we're gonna go down na. Kakain na tayo. Okay, kakababa lang namin guys ng kotse. At yun nga, gagawa tayo ng challenge. Nandito na tayo sa kakainan natin. Nasa na yun? Okay, punta tayo sa kakainan natin. Tuturo natin ang kakainan natin. Okay, nga pala, hindi lang to basta challenge dahil this video is sponsored by Mestiza Beauty Products. Don't forget to like their Facebook page and follow their Shopee. Meron silang Shopee account and TikTok account. You can order their products. I will put it in the description down below. Dito na pala tayo sa kakainan natin. Okay, yan. Yan yung kakainan natin. Okay, here it is, guys. That's my mom. That's my lola. Kasama ko pala ang pamilya ko ngayon, guys. Kasi, okay, nandito na tayo sa Mitsumo, guys. And ngayon, kasama ko ang pamilya ko. Order na kami. Eh kasi, ito na nga. This is my birthday celebration kasi busy kami lahat nung birthday ko nung April 18. That's why ngayon kami mag-celebrate. And this is a challenge. Ayun nga, sinabi ko kanina, hindi lang to basta challenge. Dahil may premyo tayo. And as a girl, meron tayong premyo na napakaganda. Mag-benefit talaga para sa atin. So, you know, pumayag akong makipag-collaborate in this product, in this, what do you call it? Brand. Kasi napakaganda ng effect niya sa akin. Look at, I don't have a pimple and medyo pumuti na ako. And look at her. Wala na siya pimple because of the soap that I'm using. I will put it in the description down below. Girl, ano masasabi mo? Excited ka na bang kumain? Excited ka na ba simulan ng challenge?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Kumain ka ba kanina?
Pwede ba kayong steam?
Gutom ka? Gutom ka na?
What?
Gutom ka na? Ikaw?
Yeah.
Ikaw?
Nag-challenge yan, nag-challenge.
Nonchalant, OA. OA. OA din ako. Oh, nonchalant.
Beef and pork. Alin ang beef?
Nasa ilalim po. Yung dalawa pong nasa ilalim. Pork.
Okay, my mom. Okay, dumating na yung ano natin. Yung lulutuin natin.
Tapos sweet corn po cheese.
Hindi ko alam yung angat.
Okay, let's go guys. We're gonna go. This is my request. So, ganun. Oh my gosh.
guys. Pare siya daw mananalo.
Kaya ko pang isubo lahat.
Hindi pala.
Wala na lang pala man eh. Sabi nga ako lahat. Kaya ko to. Hey, we're back! So,
We're gonna announce who's the winner.
i-announce na namin kung sino yung nanalo nung kumain kami dun sa Meat Sumo. And obviously, ako ang nanalo because tinikman ko lahat ng food and then I finished the food that she didn't finish because it's all on the two of us. Kaya ako ang winner. And ayan, yes, ipapakita ko na yung napanadanan ko, which is the sponsor of our video, is this. Actually, I have a lot of prizes, pero iniwan ko talaga sa bahay yung iba. And papakita ko din sa inyo mamaya. Or you can stalk the Miss Tisa FB page and other social platforms so you can check out their items. So I have this one. This is my lip tint that I'm using right now. As you can see, the shade is on my lips. And then the powder that I use. I use this often because this is 3-in-1 collagen. It's a powder, good for your skin. And also, I forgot the soap. I forgot to bring the soap, but I'm gonna show you it later. The soap, I didn't bring it, but I'm gonna show you all the products, guys, in this video.